Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Instagram map. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to Instagram right here and then go to your DM section. Other one's done, go ahead over to maps, okay? Now tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, this friend got his location shared, and some other friends may have this option disabled, just like what I have in here. I have it turned off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the gear icon, open settings, and then enable location permissions. All right, go to permissions, and then location right here, just allow it. Once that's done, go ahead and go back. Once you're in here, swipe down. Make sure that your location service is enabled as well on your phone. All right, and after that, tap on it again and enable it to your friends, close friends, or whatever. All right, so for example, friends, share location, and there you go. And so for example, this one right here, my friend, Stephen Ross, I can just tap on their name and you'll be able to see their location at the moment. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use the Instagram app. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.